Hey everybody, good morning Profit Cleaners. Just want to share with you guys something really cool that not a lot of people talk about, and something that's going to really help your business. And frankly, not a lot of people are doing it. And a lot of people, when I say this, they argue with me and say that you shouldn't do it. But I'm going to tell you, this is actually a big part of how we generated 7 figures with our cleaning business in less than 3 years. And that's how we got to that. This year, we're going to generate almost $3 million. And on the way to doing that, in the beginning, especially, what you need to do is build your reputation by giving away free cleans and giving out your services to people that you can build that relationship and develop rapport and camaraderie with those people. And influencers especially, it's a great way to do it with influencers, people in your community that maybe already have audiences. Think about building a referral network, maybe even just offer free cleans to other landscapers and plumbers and other service companies in your area, that you could just say, hey, I just want to clean your house, so you can display your skills and show people how good you are, so that even if they don't do anything else with you, they can talk about you and they can tell people how good you are. That's powerful, guys. On top of that, when you give people free cleans, especially in the beginning when nobody knows who you are, that's going to build your reviews. Because most people, you can just go to people and say, hey, I'd like to do this for you. It's on me, it's on the house. I'd like to give you a free clean. You don't owe me anything. I'd just like to post a pic of the clean house. You could do something like that. You can also, just because of the law of reciprocity and psychology, guys, it's a powerful, powerful marketing tool. Reciprocity. If you give something of value to someone for free, they feel compelled to give you that value back. And so when you give someone a free clean, you offer to display your skill set and your skills to someone. They feel compelled to help you out and share that back in some way. So that's a review. Reviews are gold. If you're not getting reviews for your business, you're missing out, because those reviews are going to generate business for years to come. So guys, it's an easy way to do it. A lot of people don't talk about it. A lot of people say you shouldn't do it. You shouldn't discount your cleaning services. You shouldn't do stuff for free. Well, ask them if they have a 7-figure cleaning business, okay? Listen to winners, because the people that are winners are doing it. Lots of people I know in other businesses do this all the time. And you got to start out, and you got to be humble, and you have to start working hard by giving out your services for free to build that reputation and to build those reviews. And then at some point, you don't have to do that anymore. But you got to work your way into that position. And again, not everyone's going to do it, but you're going to do it because you're going to win. So get out there and win, guys. Get after it. Start showing people what you're made of. Start building that business, man. Get after it. All right, guys, keep it clean.